Hello everyone, welcome to my StudyTech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use NCBI BLAST tool in your Linux system. So in this tutorial, first I will explain how to install the BLAST tool. After that, I will explain how to do nucleotide blast by the BLASTn. Then I will explain how to do protein blast by the Blastp. So for that you have to go Google and write blast tool. So here is the blast tool, basic local alignment search tool. So here go to the download blast, then go to the download link, the latest blast tool. So in this list select this one, 64 Linux tar.zz. So it is downloading. Let's download it. Okay, so download is done. Let's open it. So here I have one query nucleotide sequence, one query of protein sequence. This is one query. We don't know what is the title of this sequence, and here is the protein query. So we have two databases like ORF coding fasta file. This is serifc total ORF fasta file. So it is the list of fasta file of East, and here is the ORF trans. It is the protein fasta file of East. So to install it, first extract it. Okay, extraction is done. So go to it, go to the bin, and so it is a pre-compiled tool. Open the terminal and check the list. So here you can see, here is the BLASTn, BLASTp, like others, BLASTn, X, tBLASTn. So to check it, /blastn, then hyphen help and enter. So here you can see the usage of the BLASTn. So you can use it now. Let's clear it. So first we have to make a database for this BLAST. So I am going to use this ORF coding fasta file as a database for my query sequence. So I am copying these two files into the bin directory. So first make one directory, name it nucleotide database. So go to the terminal, check the list. So you can see the nucleotide database directory is here. So clear it again. So first, to make the database, dot slash make blast database. So it is the database type. So db type, then as it is a nucleotide database, nucl. After that you have to enter the input. For that in, and then our input is what if coding fasta file. Then you have to write the output, the hyphen out, then our nucleotide database directory. Then you have to name something database nt. So it is the total script to make the database. Let's enter. Okay, to making the database is done. Let's check it. So after creating the database, you can see this type of file in this directory. So let's run this query for Blast. Let's clear it. To blast it, dot slash blast blastn. Then I am going to write the evalue for evalue. So evalue I'll do 1 e hyphen 05. Then I have to enter the DB database. So here is the database is ntDB, and after that you have to write the dbnt, but only the dbnt, then space, then you have to put the query, then the query sequence is query nt dot fasta file, then for output out, and then you can write anything like blast hit dot txt. So it is the total script to run the Blastn. Let enter. Okay, the blast is done. Let's check it. List. So it is the blast result. Okay, go to. So it is the blast result. Let's check it. Okay, so it is the query sequence name, and here is the one hit. It is the gene ID, chromosome number. You can check the score and other parameters. So it is the alignment. So it is the Blastn. Next, so now we'll do the protein blast. For that I'm going to use the what trans all fasta file as a library or database, and the query protein sequence as a query. So I'm going to copy it and going to paste in the bin directory. So now we have to make another directory for the protein database. So I am going to write protein and db for protein database. So go to here, clean it. To make the protein database, similarly dot slash make blast database data base type is for protein prot, then space, the input file would be the rf trans all fasta file, then space, then out the output folder name is protein, and then you can use database amino acid. So it is the total script to make the protein database. Let's enter. Okay, so it is done. Let's check the database. So after that you can see this type of file in your protein database. So let's clean it and do the protein blast. So protein blast, similarly blast p, then I'm going to write the evalue, same evalue e5, then I have to put the database is protein and db hyphen aa, then the query sequence. So our query sequence is query protein dot fasta file, then the output, and it is, you can write the output hit protein dot txt. So it is total script to run the protein blast. Let's enter. Okay, the protein blast is done. Let's check it. So it is the protein blast result. Here you can see our proteins query has the 2 hit, 2 score, 2 value. It is the first hit, it is the second hit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.